While the word risk can denote a broad spectrum of uncertainties and perils, financial risk is a specific term that refers to how much you can stand to gain or lose on a given investment. Come along as we identify the different types of financial risk and learn how to move more confidently through precarious market situations. Every financial transaction can incur a certain amount of risk. Whether you're investing in the stock market, taking out a mortgage to buy a home, trading crypto, or starting your own business, all of these scenarios contain the possibility of not working out in your favor. Market risk arises from the price movements of a given financial instrument, such as stock, bond, cryptocurrency, commodity, etc. This can take the form of direct market risk, where prices respond to fluctuations in the market, or to indirect market risk, which results from interest rates, geo- and socio-political events, and unexpected news, among other factors. Credit risk involves the hazards that can arise when debts remain unpaid. This can be felt by those who purchase and trade debt, or when entire businesses or governments default on their debts. In either scenario, values can implode, resulting in losses on both sides of the transaction. Liquidity risk implies being unable to buy or sell your assets, resulting in illiquidity or a lack of available cash. This can arise from a dearth of buyers or sellers for a given asset, leaving your funds locked up in an investment. Finally, operational risk covers all possible internal hazards that can arise from running a business. This can include issues of staffing, the failure of equipment, structures, or systems, and poor or corrupt management. However, operational risk does not include anything external to the company and cannot be chalked up to general market conditions. Now you have a better understanding of financial risk and the different ways it can manifest in and around your investments. Want to learn more about trading cryptocurrencies? Subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. For more in-depth articles and guides, visit CEX.IO University. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and may the markets trend in your favor.